Samsung just dropped a special edition of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in South Korea, and it's a game changer. Not only is it a limited release, but it's also the first foldable phone to come in more than one version. Pretty cool, right? But Samsung isn't stopping there. They're already shifting focus to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and some exciting rumors are starting to pop up. Rumor has it we might see more than just a couple of models coming our way. According to the folks over at Galaxy Club, it looks like Samsung is working on not one, but two versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. They're basing this on some intriguing codenames they've caught wind of. The regular Galaxy Z Fold 7 is supposedly going by the codename B7, while the Flip 7 is tagged as Q7. But wait, there's more. There's also chatter about a mysterious new Fold variant with the codename Q7M. Now, before we all start counting our chickens before they hatch, let's keep in mind we're still in 2024. So, while this info sounds promising, it doesn't guarantee we'll see 2, 3, or maybe even more foldable phones next year. What it does show is that Samsung is definitely cooking up at least 3 different foldable models behind the scenes. You might be wondering why we're calling this new Q7M an unknown Galaxy Fold variant, instead of just dubbing it the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition 2025. Well, it all comes down to that little letter M in the codename. If you recall, the Special Edition foldable that just launched went by the codename Q6A, not Q6M. So, it makes sense that a follow-up Special Edition would be tagged as Q7 and instead of Q7M. Now, the M could mean a bunch of things. Maybe this Q7M is a special edition aimed at the global market rather than a limited release. Or perhaps it's something entirely new, shaking up the fold game. There's even buzz that Samsung might finally roll out a dual folding model in 2025, stepping up to challenge Huawei's crown in the foldable arena. And just to keep the excitement rolling, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been making headlines for a bit now. Last month, there were whispers about Samsung potentially using the Exynos 2500 for both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Flip 7. So, who knows what the future holds? But this latest scoop has definitely cranked up the hype for next year's foldables. So, what do you all think? Are you excited about these upcoming Galaxy foldables from Samsung? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Can't wait to hear what you think, and I'll catch you all in the next update. Until then, take care.